Hello again. It's time for Uncle Jeff's Easy Peasy English. And today we're contrasting two ideas or situations using although, though, even though, and however. Have a look at these sentences. Look first at the first three. If you want to contrast two ideas in the same sentence, you use although, though, and even though. For example, the first one, although the house is nice, comma, I don't like the garden. Second one, though the house is nice, I don't like the garden. Third one, even though the house is nice, I don't like the garden. So we're contrasting two ideas. The house is lovely. The problem is I don't like the garden. So, to have the two ideas in the one sentence, use a comma and start with although, though, or even though. Though is a little more informal. If you're writing, use although or even though. If you're speaking, use though. Look at the next two sentences, the last two. Here we've got two separate ideas, separated by a full stop. The house is nice. However, comma, I don't like the garden. Look at this one. The house is nice. I don't like the garden though. So all five, it's the same basic idea. It's just five different ways of saying something similar. Look at these last two again. The house is nice, full stop. However, comma, I don't like the garden. Quite formal, looks lovely when it's written down, but a formal sentence. This one, much more informal and typically spoken. The house is nice. I don't like the garden though. If we're speaking, we put though at the very end. Best not to write that in that form. Better for writing is this one. However, I don't like the garden. So these are our special words. Although the house is nice, I don't like the garden. Though the house is nice, I don't like the garden. Even though the house is nice, I don't like the garden. The last two, the house is nice, however, I don't like the garden. The house is nice. I don't like the garden though. English grammar can sometimes be horrible. However, I love it when Uncle Jeff explains it all simply. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time on Uncle Jeff's Easy Peasy English. Bye bye for now.